Multiple Concrete Accessories is one of the largest distributors in the Midwest for self-leveling products. MCA has added patching materials, sealants, waterproofing materials, and form rentals to round out its product line. In 2025, RAM was connected to these folks through their IT professional. MCA had several problems they wanted to overcome. First, they needed a vendor who could recommend and install a new telecommunications system that was appropriate for their needs. It was time to replace the old system and vendor who were no longer responsive to their needs. MCA's management also needed an experienced consultant to review their service contracts, phase out outdated services, and make the transition to a new voice network as smoothly as possible. With 4 locations and varying infrastructure, RAM's team paid every location a visit, conducting site surveys. This due diligence was necessary in order to plan and select the appropriate services and develop transition plans for each location. Overall, the new system needed to continue providing simple call flows and items like call transfer, hold, and conferencing. All MCA locations needed to be able to communicate as if all 4 sites were in the same building. RAM recommended Net2Phone and its hosted UCaaS platform. Net2Phone was chosen because of their strong engineering team, reliable network, and an experienced management staff who emphasizes real customer service. The Net2Phone platform provided 4-digit dialing, mobile and soft phone apps, updated desk phones, and an online management portal to oversee the entire phone system. Sarah and her MCA planning team took the time to work with RAM, carefully outlining the necessary design details and functions. The research and time spent resulted in a design that incorporated traditional functions with new soft phone features that enhanced everyone's productivity. RAM's team delivered the new system, provided hands-on installation, and several rounds of testing and tweaking to get the desired results for Multiple Concrete. Every location received end-user training by the RAM staff, and additional training and reference tools were provided for every phone. Today, Sarah and her team enjoy a reliable system, and RAM's local support team is available anytime there's an issue or request. The old services were successfully phased out, and RAM was able to lower MCA's fixed costs by over 70%. For more information about RAM Communications, its clients, products, and solutions, visit us online today. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.